Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to set up eSIM on your Apple Watch Series 9. First, ensure your Apple Watch is running the very latest Watch OS. Simultaneously, confirm your paired iPhone is updated to the newest iOS version. It's crucial to verify that your cellular carrier actively supports eSIM activation specifically for Apple Watch. Finally, keep your iPhone and Apple Watch in close proximity, ideally within a few inches, to facilitate a smooth connection during the setup process. This ensures optimal communication between your devices. Once your devices are ready, open the Apple Watch application on your iPhone. Navigate to the My Watch tab, then tap on Cellular. Here, you'll find the option to set up cellular service. Simply follow the clear, on-screen prompts provided by the app. You might be asked to sign in with your existing cellular carrier account credentials to authenticate the process. This step links your watch to your current mobile plan. After initiating the setup, your cellular carrier will guide you through the final activation steps. This typically involves confirming your chosen plan details and agreeing to any terms of service. A new cellular plan will then be seamlessly added to your Apple Watch, allowing it to function independently. It's important to confirm that the cellular connection is indeed active on your watch, often indicated by a green cellular icon, ensuring you're fully connected. If you encounter any difficulties, a simple restart of both your iPhone and Apple Watch can often resolve minor glitches. For persistent activation problems, do not hesitate to contact your cellular carrier's dedicated support team. They are best equipped to assist. Always ensure your current cellular plan explicitly includes support for Apple Watch connectivity. Lastly, keep both your devices sufficiently charged throughout the entire setup process to prevent any interruptions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.